we're going to finish this one tonight and get the next one going. The next part of it. 2 more parts to print after this. So we've got another couple of days, but then I'll be able to review the printer properly. I have done a few other prints, as you can see.